A computer monitor is a screen that displays visual output from a computer, allowing users to interact with digital content. Modern monitors use technologies like LCD or LED to produce bright, clear images. They come in various sizes, typically measured in inches diagonally, and offer different resolutions, such as 1080p or 4K, which affect the clarity and detail of the images. Monitors connect to computers through various interfaces, including HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, and USB-C. They can support a range of refresh rates, which impacts how smoothly motion appears on the screen, important for gaming and video playback. Additionally, many monitors come with features like adjustable stands, built-in speakers, and multiple input ports, enhancing usability and versatility for different tasks. Monitors are essential for activities such as browsing the internet, working on documents, playing games, and watching videos, making them a crucial component of the comput.